Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow tutorial using the Sarian palette from Hipdot. I got this palette in my Boxy Luxe for the month of September. And this palette has a nice range of colors from berries and oranges and purples. And I just wanted to create a look with it. I hope that you enjoy it. Here are some swatches. Excuse my swatches, I just wanted to include them. Maybe it's not the best lighting, but you get an idea of how they look on my skin. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my lids using the e.l.f. Putty Eye Primer, and I'm in the shade White. And then I'm going to grab a small crease brush from Pure Cosmetics, and I'm going to take the shade Canyon, which is the top third shade from the left, and I'm going to apply that directly to my crease. Then I'm very slowly extending that line that I created on my crease, just extending it outward a little bit, just to create a nice shape. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Wanderlust, and I'm using a blending brush from Morphe. I'm being very careful with my blending. I'm focusing it more into the inner part of my eye because I created that shape in the outer part and I don't want to lose it. So I am blending that a little bit, but being very careful because the shape that I created, I want to keep. Then I'm going to go into that beautiful shimmer Angel's Landing, and I'm going to apply this with my finger directly to my lid. This is such a beautiful, stunning shimmer, perfect for fall makeup. So I'm just going to apply that to my lid slowly with my finger, taking my time. Then I'm going to take this very small lid brush from Pure Cosmetics as well, and I'm just going to perfect the application of that shimmer, going around the edges, the lines that I missed color on, and just making it nice and perfect. Next, I'm going to dip into the shade Grounded using the crease brush again and go back into my crease to deepen it and make sure that I don't lose the contrast between my crease and my lid. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Vibration, which is a beautiful olive shadow. And I'm using my crease brush again, which I cleaned. And I'm applying the shadow to the outer part of my eye, blending it into my crease, and also outwards, creating a wing liner effect with that shadow. And I'm just blending that line into the initial shape that I created so that you get some contrast between the berry color and the olive. Then I'm just perfecting my crease, and next I'm going to go back into that shade Vibration using a very small lid brush, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line very slowly just to smoke out the look a little bit more. Then I took a bit of the purple shimmer Sarian and applied that to my lower lash line as well. Then I'm going to go into that shimmer Virgin using a small lid brush as well. And I am going to apply that to the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and blend that into the inner portion of my lid just to create some contrast between all the shimmers and all the colors on my lid. I'm just gonna blend it into the very most inner part of my lid. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I really like how it came out. This palette really impressed me. I'm excited to play with the oranges and the purples in the future. I hope that you like this video. I'm going to include a photo in better lighting so you get an idea of how it really turned out. I love the contrast between the shades. Here's another photo. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, don't forget to subscribe before you go. Follow me on Instagram at Nori Loves Beauty and leave me a comment down below saying hi. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.